Hi Aquarius, welcome to Falcon Tarot. This is a weekly reading starting 26th of September. How we'll go about with the video is the top row is for you, the bottom row is for your person, but feel free to switch if you like. However, for me, the top row is always for the sign I do the video for. Now let's quickly jump in and see what this particular week has in store for you. The first card that I see for you is Emperor card, Justice card, and Nine of Cups. Person B here has 10 of Cups, Chariot card, and 6 of Swords. Now bottom of the deck I have the Page of Cups, which means a little bit of an immature energy. However, with cups it means that both of you have emotions and feelings for each other, though it's a little immature right now. However, both of you are emotionally connected as well. Now what I'm seeing from the first set of cards is you have the Emperor card with the Justice card. It means that you are either dealing with an Aries or you will get into that energy where you will be this father of the deck, okay? And you will go ahead and lead this entire situation. Now with the Justice card, if there is some kind of injustice that has happened, either you have faced some injustice or your person has, then whoever faced the injustice will get justice out in this particular situation, because the scales get balanced, okay? Now for the others of you, if you're currently involved in a legal battle, a divorce case or any other legal case, or a court case where you are currently involved in, you will get victory in that situation and it will work out in your favor. With the Nine of Cups, it means that you also have emotions for this person, but you're kind of lazy, okay? You're not willing to put in that effort, though you know that you should put in the effort. So you're connected, you're emotionally connected with this person, but you don't go ahead and do things, is what I'm seeing, because you're kind of lazy. Now person B here has the 10 of Cups, which means that they have emotional feelings for you. They feel as if they are emotionally connected. So with 10 of Cups, it's like a feeling where both of you are emotionally connected, but maybe you're too headstrong right now to accept it, and your person on the other hand is quite lazy, okay? So that's the problem here. With the second card, that's the Chariot card, it's Cancer energy. You could be dealing with a Cancer, or your person also could be dealing with a Cancer. Now with this energy, this person is currently in that energy where they want to march forward, but with Six of Swords, it's kind of a burden, okay? This could be because this person is somewhat feeling burdened in this particular relationship, or in a situation that they are not able to talk to you about. Now let's go ahead and see what is the intention of this person for you. The first card is the Empress card, the Queen of Pentacles, and the Lovers card. Now I have a couple here with the Emperor card coming out and the Empress card. That's a couple, okay? Now Empress energy is again a very strong energy. With this energy, this person has all the qualities of all the queens, and with Empress, in some situations it could also mean fertility, pregnancy, okay? With Queen of Pentacles, this person is very much focused on this one pentacle, because they know they want to put in that energy on that particular pentacle only. And Lovers card is Gemini energy. This person could be a Gemini also for some of you. Also it means that this person has feelings for you, and with those feelings, okay, they want to go ahead and express that. They have this feeling that there's some past life connection between the two of you as well. Now let's go ahead and quickly see what is the message from the Monology Oracle card. So the message that I see here is you and your loved ones are safe. So don't worry. If you are feeling that there's something wrong that's going to happen, then don't think all that, because you and your loved ones are safe. Now let's quickly go ahead and see what is the message from the archangels and a crystal that can help you in the situation. So the crystal is Peacock Copper. The crystal message is, are you in touch with your magnificence? Find ways to bring more joy into your life. Be aware of the source of your emotional challenges or perceived blocks so that you can release them. Get in touch with your inner radiance and shine your light brightly. Now with this, there's a message here from Archangel Sandalphon that I'll go ahead and put in the description box. You can read it from there. That's all that I have for you for this particular week. If you like the content, please like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification. Until the next video, stay safe, love yourself first.